Hey there, travel enthusiasts and airport observers. Today, we are diving into a topic that's causing a stir in the aviation world. Have you noticed the recent chaos at airports across the US? It's a mess out there. From staffing shortages to unexpected collisions, the situation is anything but smooth sailing. You see, airports are now advising travelers to arrive even earlier than before. We're talking hours in advance. This is a significant shift, especially for those who prefer to dash to the airport at the last minute. But why the sudden change? Well, it's a direct response to the ongoing TSA staffing crisis and the ripple effects of recent incidents. What's fascinating is that 7 major airports, including San Diego, Atlanta, and New York, are leading this charge, urging travelers to arrive up to 4 hours early. That's a huge chunk of your day, right? And here's the kicker: these airports also have ICE agents on the scene. Now, this raises some intriguing questions about security, efficiency, and the overall airport experience. In my opinion, this situation highlights the delicate balance between security and convenience. Airports are trying to manage the chaos, but at what cost to travelers' time and patience? Personally, I think it's a fine line to tread. While enhanced security is essential, we must also consider the traveler's journey and experience. Are these extended wait times becoming the new normal? And how will this impact the overall perception of air travel? The bigger picture here is the evolving nature of airport operations. It's a dynamic environment, constantly adapting to challenges. But what many people don't realize is that these changes can significantly impact the travel industry and passenger behavior. Will this lead to a shift in travel preferences, perhaps favoring other modes of transportation? Only time will tell. So, the next time you're planning a trip, remember the potential for airport chaos and the ever-changing guidelines. It's a fascinating yet frustrating aspect of modern travel. Until then, happy and hopefully timely travels.